How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you wondering how to comment anonymously on Facebook groups but don't know how? Well, you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. From the navigation bar, select Groups. If you don't see it in the default list, tap See More to find it. Under the Groups You Manage section, you will find all the groups that you have created. In the Other section, you will find all the groups that you have joined, whether created by you or someone else. Select the Facebook group where the anonymous posting feature is available. You will notice that just below the Write Something box, the option for anonymous post is available. This means people can post anonymously in this group. Now let's create an anonymous post. Don't worry, I will show you how to comment anonymously as well. Stick around till the end. Tap on the option for anonymous post. A pop-up with information about anonymous posting will appear. Tap Got it. Now start creating your anonymous post. Once you are done, tap the post button at the top. As you can see, my anonymous post is now available in the group. Now let's leave a comment anonymously. Tap on the comment option under your anonymous post. Notice that the comment box says comment as anonymous member, which means your comment will also be anonymous. Write your comment. Once finished, tap on the send button. As you can see, my comment has been posted anonymously. But here is some extra information I want to share with you. If someone else tries to comment on your anonymous post, their identity will be displayed. Let me show you an example. For that, I will switch to my other Facebook account. As you can see, I am on my another Facebook account. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Then, from the navigation bar, tap Groups. Now, I will select the same group where I made the anonymous post from my previous account. You can see my anonymous post here. Tap on the comment option. Now have a look at the comment box. Instead of saying comment as anonymous member, it just says write a comment. This means that if I write a comment, my identity will be revealed. Write the comment, then tap the send button. As you can see, my identity has been revealed. In conclusion, anonymous commenting can only be done on your own anonymous post. Even if you see an anonymous or normal post by others, you cannot comment anonymously. You can only comment anonymously only on your post that you have posted anonymously. And boom! You have successfully learned how to comment anonymously in Facebook groups. Plus, the real truth behind it, something many YouTubers don't tell you when they show their own anonymous comments. I hope that things are clear now. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.